June the 2nd. And still nothing in Montreal. Weather very cold. It was 5 degrees last night, 10 degrees today, around 12 o'clock. And we still haven't planted any vegetables. Some grapevines, they still haven't bloomed. Apple tree, still haven't prepared all the beds yet. Freezing outside. Let's go see the front yard. Some nice rose plants. This one is for zone 4, so and that one. Actually, that's the little baby of this one. Zone 5, roses, still nothing. Zone 4. Zone 5. Zone 4. Daylilies, doing good. Yeah, we're doing pretty alright for now. And our nice little buds are coming out. Our little roses, nothing yet. But it was a very, very cold week. And I guess the season is going to be pretty bad for growing. Have to do some more cleanup here. And our seedlings. We have the tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, and the zucchini and the beans are going to be planted by seed inside the planters. So stay tuned tomorrow for more of yard cleaning. Let's go check our little seedlings. We need to water them a little bit. Here we got our beans, zucchini, peppers, eggplant, some flowers, pepper, eggplant, tomato, and tomato. And now let's check out our roses. This one is just starting. This one was giving me problems. This one is starting. And our daylilies. They're going to start blooming. And that's it for today. Good morning to you all. Checking out the little tomato plants. The beans are doing very good. At least an inch taller than yesterday. These are the snow beans. I still have no germination over here. Here's zucchini. I got 2 of them to germinate. Maybe I'll take one out. It's not even good to take them out anyway. I'm just gonna leave one over here. Peppers are doing alright. But in the night it was cold, so that's a little sad little eggplant. Something already started working on it. Oh well. They're coming, the flowers. Peppers are okay. Eggplant is doing alright here. Tomatoes alright. This year I'm going to let them all bush out. Very windy. It smells so beautiful, this one. Ah, they're ready to make little flowers. Oh, they're gonna be full. This one makes amazing flowers. This lady. And the apple tree without apples. I'm gonna stop the video and we'll make one after.